Every night, there are 8 billion people falling asleep and hoping for a better tomorrow and quality life. But life is not dreamed. Life is built. And that's what we do. We are StepGuard. A brand with beauty and functionality in mind, and strives to be better than that by delivering innovative home improvement products from floors to your walls. The state-of-the-art production facilities and the smartest technology put us in the first row of leading flooring and wall panel creators. With international design centers in China, Europe, and America, we work closely with designers and learn from nature to bring out the best from every product we make and inspire the best in people and life. We are innovators in an old market and are consistently giving our best to be the top-notch brand in the SPC flooring industry. It all starts with the pursuit and selection of the high-quality raw materials that nature has to offer. Precious ingredients are carefully mixed and extruded under precise temperature and humidity conditions controlled by the most advanced equipment and our technicians. Embellished with trendy patterns and different surface treatments, they are ready to be cut into boards and waiting to be infused with superior performances after being inspected by our on-site QC teams. Protected by brand-exclusive coating technology, they thus become one of the most hard-wearing, durable, and stable SPC flooring on the market. With years of experience and innovation, we not only have all the know-how in terms of quality, but also an eye for appearance and every possible production technique for our diverse customers. As StepGuard products have been delivered to different industries, projects, and millions of families. You think this is enough? Not for any one of us from StepGuard. We want to build a quality life for everyone. We try to improve behaviors instead of merely creating new products. Because we are experts in meeting new demands. Facing increased population pressure and housing needs accompanied by roaring labor costs and resources shortage, we need to create a more efficient and sustainable solution. The result is our SPC wall panels produced from natural and sustainable limestone powder that is free from harmful substances and low on carbon impact. A trend that will never fade away and will always inspire the unique you with a cost-effective solution that lasts longer. Because we believe everyone deserves a carefree life and better interior space. With all the ultimate level of craftsmanship, we don't call them product. We call them StepGuard flooring and wall panels with pride. Together with more than hundreds of colleagues, in-house laboratory experiments in our central warehouse, we ensure that every customer receives high-quality products with fast leading time. We always have the passion for life, and that makes us think whether we could use wood in a sustainable way, by selecting the finest embodiment of nature exquisite beauty from sustainable forestry, drying, cold pressing, and respectfully craft into works of art by hands. Our hybrid wood SPC flooring brings you the perfect balance of natural wood elegance and robust performance. Together with our global industrial layouts and sustainable concept in mind, we strictly believe in international standards while creating the life solutions with our flooring and wall panels, and that lead us to achieve significant certifications. Floor Score for healthy indoor air quality. CE for European conformity. ISO for Quality and Environmental Management System, and SGS. Created by many hands, StepGuard continues to build for the future. We listen. We feel. We invent. We experiment. So that you can express who you really are in a life you truly love. It takes two to bring extraordinary to life. 2 parties. 2 stories. 2 lives. Because we can make real change to life and the world. Because we can work together. Because of me. Because of you. Because of us. StepGuard, inspire every square.